A lot of products claim to whiten your skin safely, but most of these products contain a harsh chemical that can darken or damage your skin over time. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you ways that can help you to whiten your skin naturally without using harsh chemical. So before we jump into the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video on this platform, I would like you please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our upcoming educative videos. To the returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this educative YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said in the beginning of this video, in this video I'll be sharing with you ways that can help you to whiten your skin quickly. Also, I'll be sharing with you tips and tricks that can help you to whiten your skin in a short period of time. Whether you are having hyperpigmentation, or you are having scars, or you are having acne, or you just want to achieve natural glow. With this easy and affordable remedies that I will be sharing in this video, it will help you to achieve your skin goals without using harsh chemicals. The first home remedy on our list is yogurt. Yogurt is a probiotic food that contains essential nutrients which makes yogurt to be a good skincare product when applied to the skin. Also, yogurt it will help to prevent the appearance of the freckles and the blemish on your scales when applied to your skin. Also, yogurt contains bleaching and moisturizing features which make it be one of the biggest and the effective way that can help you to achieve brighter and lighter skin in a short period of time. So if you want to use yogurt to get a brighter skin, just apply the yogurt on your skin and don't wash it, let it dry, then wash it with lukewarm water. Repeating this for about a couple of weeks can help you to achieve brighter skin in a short period of time. The second home remedy on our list that can help you to achieve natural glow is orange. Orange is a fruit which is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the skin care. This fruit contains bleaching features that are extremely perfect for your skin when applied. So if you want to get fresh skin, kindly keep consuming orange regularly. It will help you to achieve fresh skin in a short period of time. Also, if you want to get fresh skin, squeeze one orange and mixture it with turmeric, then keep applying it on your skin. Don't wash it, let it dry and then wash it with lukewarm water. The next remedy on our list that can help you to achieve whiter skin in a short period of time is gram flour. This is another remedy that can help you to lighten your skin. You know, this is one of the greatest solutions that can help to lighten your skin safely and effectively without causing any harm to your skin, unlike other skincare products that can damage your health. Also, it can help your skin to maintain its texture. So if you want to use gram flour, kindly make a thick paste and apply it to your skin for about 2 to 7 days. It can help you to achieve a naturally glowing in a short period of time without using harsh chemicals. The next remedy on our list is honey. Honey, this is wonderful home remedy that contain moisturizing and bleaching features, which can help to treat a problem such as imbalanced skin tone and skin dryness. Also, it contains antibacterial properties that can help to treat acne scars and the age support. So if you want to use honey, kindly apply it on your hand, leg, and the face. It will help you to achieve natural glow in a short period of time. Next remedy on our list is aloe vera. This is another wonderful remedy that can help you to whiten your skin if you are using it regularly. Also, aloe vera, it has a cooling effect that can help to remove dead skin cells on your skin and it will help you to generate new one. So if you want to use aloe vera, kindly squeeze it in a special place and keep applying it on your face, hand and leg. And don't wash it, let it dry for about 30 minutes, then wash it with lukewarm water. Keep doing this for about a couple of weeks. It can help you to achieve natural glow in a short period of time. The next remedy on our list is turmeric. Turmeric, this is another remedy that can help you to achieve natural glow in a short period of time. To help to build up new melanin content, also to contain antioxidant and antiseptic features that can help to keep your skin fresh and healthy. If you want to use turmeric, get a 1 teaspoonful of turmeric and get a milk and get a 1 teaspoonful of gram flour and mixture it in a one place and make a thick paste and keep applying it on your face, hand and leg. Don't wash it, let it dry for about 30 minutes. Don't wash it with the lukewarm water. It will help you to achieve brighter skin in a short period of time. Don't forget that effectiveness of these remedies may vary from your skin to the other individual's skin. Before you achieve brighter skin, it takes a lot of time and more effort. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you found it educative and helpful, so make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and comment and share this video to your family and friends. See you in the next video.